Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to change and set password in Klook. So here I'll be teaching how to change and set password here on your Klook. All you need to do is open up your Klook account. Once you open up your Klook account, press on account right here. After pressing on account right there, all you need to do is go to settings right here. Press on settings. After pressing on settings, you may check on right here account security. Pressing on account security, click on change password. And there you go. After pressing on change password right here, you'll have to wait. And then now you can set your password. So let's say our password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're gonna add A, B, C. Then we're gonna add one symbol, hashtag. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A, B, C. Then hashtag. Then we're gonna click on confirm. Then change password updated. So now, how to change our password in Klook. So we're gonna change our password here on our Klook account right here. Change our password right here. I need to click on Klook account. Obviously first we need to log in. There you go. Hereby log in. There you go. Now we're logging in. Use our fingerprint right there. There you go. Now to change our password, all we need to do is click on settings. After clicking on settings, click on account and security. Then click on change password. Then after pressing on change password, all we need to do is we need to enter the current password. So we're going to enter the current password earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, A, B, C, then hashtag. So now I'm going to change the password. I'm going to pause the video and I'll be back. I'll be back after I change the password. So see you guys. As you can see right now, I have changed the password. Oops, must be 8 letters. Just wait. Then here, all we need to do is click on confirm right here. As you can see, we have changed the password, new password. Click on confirm. Then change password updated. So there you go. That's how you change and set your password here on Klook. So if you guys like the video, please enjoy it. And please leave a comment down if you have any questions, if you have any concerns. So there you go, guys. Thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.